Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. Raise your hand if you're like me and you need a little bit of more fruits and vegetables in your life. Well, Life's Essence has made it so easy to do that with just 2 bottles. I like fruits and vegetables, but I know I don't get enough. So I love that with 6 pills, I can add more vegetables and fruits into my life in an easy way. And the size of these pills was just great. They were small enough to be able to take every day, and they didn't seem to bother me at all. And I don't feel like it had a really bad aftertaste. And they're small enough to even carry in my little to-go container. And it's great that they come in a big enough bottle that they last for 2 months, plus both bottles come together. We all know that fruits and vegetables give us those antioxidants that we need in our life. I love how this comes with a wide variety of fruits and vegetables. So it's great for people like me who do like fruits and vegetables, but even those who don't, this is a great way to get it. And that is just my point of view.